So number 2, so far Elena's bracelet is 5 1/8 inch long and Andre's is 3 5/8 inch long. How many more inches do they need to reach 9 4/8? So this one has two equations. We have Elena's, I'm going to put E for Elena, and an A for Andre's. So I know I need my bracelet to be 9 4/8 inch long. And right now, Elena has 5 1/8. Now, this one you could have solved a little differently. You could have subtracted your whole numbers. So 9 and 5. You could have done 9 minus 5, which is 4. Then you could have looked at your fractions and subtracted those. So you have 4/8 minus 1/8. 4/8 minus 1/8 is 3/8. Then I could put them together and my answer is 4 from my whole number and 3/8. So Elena needs 4 3/8 inches more to get to 9 4/8. Now Andre, he needs to go to 9 4/8 inch, or 4/8 of an inch, and he has 3 5/8 done. So if you look, our whole numbers we can subtract, but we can't take 4 from 5. We would have to borrow. So we have to think of another way to do it. So we could do 8 times 9 is 72, so we get 72/8. For your whole, but then you need to add 4/8 that's left over. So 72 plus 4 is 76/8. So this is for 9 4/8. We're changing them so they're easier for us to subtract. Now we have 3 5/8, and we need to change that. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh wait, that's not 30. That's 29. Sorry. So we have 29/8 for our whole, but then we have, oh, we added that already. Sorry, guys. So now I'm going to make a break so we're not confused. That was changing all of our fractions, our mixed numbers, into fractions. So now we have 76/8 minus 29/8. So 76 minus 29. I can't take 6 from 9, so I need to borrow. The 7 is going to change to a 6, and your 6 is going to become a 16. 16 minus 9, well, if I count 9 to 16, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 would give me a 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that would equal, I'm running out of room, 47/8. You can leave it like that, or you can change it. If I'm thinking of eighths, I know that 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. I can't use 6 because it's over, so I have to use 5, which would give me 40. And how many more do I need to make 47? That's 7. So now it's asking how much longer is Elena's bracelet than Andre's at the moment. So we are going to take Andre's bracelet, which is 5 7/8, minus our answer from Elena's 4 3/8, and we're going to subtract it. Now, if I take my whole numbers, I can subtract them. 5 minus 4 would get me a 9. And 7/8 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, so 4/8. I added, oh my goodness. I'm sorry, guys. I've had a heck of a day. 9 minus 4 is 1. So our answer would be 1 4/8.